Hello students, this is Mrs. K. So we're back again to do our lessons about score a duck investigation. So that's the investigation that looks like this. We've already been working here. We've understood what our question is. We understand that we've got ducks in a game. People are going to be able to basically pick up a duck at random and we won't know which one they're going to pick up. So we've gone ahead and thought about having 50 ducks in that space, and that we need to put one of these numbers onto each one of the ducks. What will those numbers be? You've gone ahead and chosen, and I don't know what you've done. You might have done like they suggested, the 20. You might have gone 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. You might have had only 6 twice. You might have had 5, 4 times. I don't know. You might have had 4. Who knows? Any number of times. So you've gone ahead and done that. You've chosen what numbers you're going to put on your different ducks, and then you're going to fill out this table here. So as we said, for step number 4, you're going to be going ahead and filling out this table of probability, or you will have already done that in step 3. I'm sorry, so you've already done that in step 3. Now after you've done that, you're going to be thinking about what fraction of probability is any given event. So record the probability of catching a duck with a particular number. So over here, if you did write 20 number ones, and I hope you're making your own choices and doing something that you want to do. If you did write 20 in that space, and then the prize type is the hard luck prize type, then you might have written next to that you've got a 20/50ths of a chance of getting a hard luck prize. If they get a number 1, there's 20 out of 50 times, 20 of those times they would get a 1. So if they were able to choose at random to pick one of these ducks, they're going to get a number 1 20 out of 50 times. That's the probability. Now, we're not really comfortable, are we, with saying 20 out of 50, 20/50ths. We would usually try to, or we always try to simplify our fraction. So we're going to try to simplify the 20 out of 50. What would we call it if we simplify that? We're going to call it 2/5. 2 out of 5, 2/5. 20/50ths or 2/5. So we're going to write our probability as a fraction as we do these. Okay, and so on and on. Now, depending on what you've written, you've quite possibly not put a 20 here. You might have decided to only have 5 number 1s. Maybe you've got a lot of number 2s, a few 3s, and then not too many at this end. Who knows what you've done? But let's say, for instance, I'm going to have another guess at what you might do. You might decide that we're going to have 5 of our ducks here will have a number 3. So 5 of our ducks will have a number 3. And what prize will we give them? We'll give them a $1 prize if they get a number 3. Okay, so it's going to come from the $1 shelf, a $1 prize, and that means that they've got 5/50ths. Out of 50 ducks, 5 have got a number 3, so they've got 5/50ths of a chance of getting a number 3. Right, 5/50ths. Or we wouldn't really leave it like that, would we? We'd change it down to write 1/10. Let's write 1/10. Okay, so 1/10 of a chance. Okay, in fact, you could even put an equals in there because we know those are equivalent fractions. So they have 1/10 of a chance of getting a number 3. Maybe you don't want to write this as a $1. You might write that down as glow stick. Let's say we're going to give them a glow stick as a prize. There we go, a glow stick as a prize. So do you see? You'll be able to decide what kinds of prizes you want to give, or just a dollar value if you want, or it's up to you, or you could just write bottom shelf, second shelf, third shelf, something like that, and top shelf. It's up to you. Okay, and so that's all that we need to do for step number 4. Too easy. So you'll get to work, you will have already thought about what numbers you're going to give these. You need to have that recorded somewhere, and then you're going to fill in this page and make it so that all of this makes sense. Alrighty, so the place that you find that page again, that data page, is here where you can make your own. I encourage you to think about making your own up because that will work really well for you. Okay, so you can use a Word document. You could use Google Sheets and make up an Excel document in Google Sheets, an Excel style document. It's up to you. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you soon for lesson 5. Bye-bye.